Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Joe. You're here at Camp Deadwood. Time to grow your channel. This is Sunday and it's snowing out. So, kind of talk a little bit about if you want to make YouTube a career or not. Some people do, some people don't. Millions definitely do. The numbers are out there. So maybe as a subscriber you do. And let's talk about that a little bit. The landscape of social media is currently changing. It always is, right? And it's always changing. A channel with millions of viewers 1 month can see the numbers drop to only a small audience of core viewers the next month. Core viewers being, your regulars that you can count on coming back. Therefore, as a content creator, it's important to think beyond monetary success on just YouTube alone. And that includes like shorts. I mean, you gotta have millions and millions of views before shorts even, pays off $200-300. And when you're looking at trying to make the career, the average content creator is not going to make much money off of YouTube. Probably just enough to keep it going. Your core audience is made up of your biggest supporters and your most loyal fans. These are the people who will keep watching your content even if the average view count dips dramatically. I agree with that. I definitely have a core group. You know who you are. 30 to 50 of you that definitely show up, bring your A game at every single video. Your core audience dedication often takes the form of monetary support. However, you shouldn't look at that with dollar signs. So you're basically telling you don't count on your core for being the people who are going to pay you to keep making content. They may come watch content and you may make money from that, but it's not a guaranteed source of income. Turn your channel into your brand. Think of all the brand names that you trust. So like me, I trust Rat 5, Ecotrek, Pathfinder, Self-Reliance, Ontario Rat 5, SE5, military clothing with NSN numbers. You want your channel to be a brand that viewers can trust. So a lot of us do reviews at some point or another, and that's kind of what you're getting along with. So if people come to the Bushcraft Joe channel, they want to know that what they're going to see is quality bushcrafting, quality reviews, no nonsense. So you don't want to diss a brand, but you also want to be, completely honest. So an example, if I was doing a Mora knife review of the Mora bushcraft knife that I have, then no, it's not full tang. No, it's not going to take the beating that the Ontario Rat 5 will take. Never was designed to. So that's kind of the give me to that. Be honest about your reviews, but don't put a review down just because. However, we all get those products that suck, and instead of saying, well, this product sucks, you could use a better way of doing it, saying, a great way to improve this product would be. And that way, different type of viewers who are getting to know you will understand, as well as advertisers and as well as product manufacturers. You're basically trying to be a salesman when you're putting your name out there as a brand. But you want to be an honest salesman. You also want to be able to focus on carving unique content niche for yourself. If you're going to brand your channel, you want something very different, very unique, some kind of different niche. most of the people I've seen you run silky saws will stand there and tell you how great of a saw it is and never use it. Not always, but I've seen that quite a bit. Use your channel to build a business. So we see that all the time with Etsy. eBay is a huge one. Amazon stores, people's personal sites that they'll create and sell things from. Your channel should be a foundation for your future career, but it shouldn't be the only piece of the puzzle. You should use the platform you're built as a creator to launch a business. So we can get into, so you get a YouTube, let's say you get 30,000 views, right? You got, and your core following is 1,000. So out of that 1,000, if they're liking, sharing, commenting, and they keep going, you'll get that YouTube check for whatever, pennies on the dollar, whatever it may be. But you can take those followers and direct them over to, you know, maybe an online store. Yeah, if you do it that way, then you can start selling some of the products that you carry and such. Amazon is another way to do it, because Amazon will, their partnerships will take care of the shipping and stuff. But however you do it, you can start it off going that way, and then you can kind of branch out and grow your channel different ways. Same with, you know, if you are you start out small, you grow your channel, and you got millions and millions and millions and millions of views, and you're one of those top 1% people that are making like $54 million a year, which is true, you can do it. Then you can branch out and build a business where you're teaching everybody how to do the channel and charge them money for it. So there's all kinds of ways to actually, you know, create a business from YouTube. It doesn't have to be YouTube itself. And same with paychecks, you know. YouTube itself on a paycheck is probably not a good ideal. However, it has been done, it will be done. And if you add in all the different ways to earn, so Patreon and YouTube and all the other different social medias can start adding up into nice size checks. Then you also can branch out and do specific stores and incorporate brands and sponsorships and different things into everything, and make it all one big giant circle where everybody's got a piece of that pie, but you're getting, you know, 50 to 75 to 100% of that, of each slice. So that's what I got, and hope you guys enjoy, and I'm going to enjoy coffee in the snow. GoPro, stop recording.